Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. So we're on week 3 and doing some armband practice. So we're going to try and bring everything together, including the length of the arrow and your arm being in line with each other. Also we're going to add an iflat and also the 3 different types of itlak. So itlak ihtilas, itlak sakin and itlak muhtalas. Have a look at our handout to see that in detail. So first of all, we use the knot as the bow hand. Okay, we go over the knuckles, over the thumb, do it again, over the knuckles, over the thumb, and here the grip. So think about the grip that we've been doing. So first 3 fingers tight, really tight, then the thumb on the middle finger, okay, and then the index finger. And then we start focusing. So make sure your hand's not like this, elbows down. It's got to be in line with the arrows. And then we begin with itlak sakin, which is the slow draw. Okay. And as we're doing that, remember to keep your mind on the iflat, the iflat at the end, and also the khatra going down. So the khatra going down and hand going back, making sure these 3 fingers remain closed and only opening of the 2 fingers. Okay, so itlak sakin, okay, practice that for a bit, and then itlak ihtilas, which is the faster draw, keeping in mind everything else. Grip tightly with the 3 fingers, place a thumb on the middle. The thumb should be relaxed, as Taiboy explains, like a dead body, just there, and then the finger goes in. Okay, and then it's faster. So itlaq ihtilas. Okay, do that again, and making sure the khatra wrist goes down. It's like the bow whip. Okay, and then finally you can also practice again, like I mentioned, 3 fingers tight, thumb placed, then the finger, and then everything else should be balanced. And then itlaq muhtalas is 2/3 going slow and then fast. Okay, 2/3 slow and then fast. Okay, do that again. Practice each one as many times as you'd like, depending on your ability and time, but do this on a daily basis to get as much practice as possible. So you can do a whole round of itlaq sakin, stop, release, and then a whole round of itlaq ihtilas, which is the faster, okay, and then 1 round of itlaq muhtalas, where it's 2/3 slow, and then the last section. So if you break down the draw into 3 parts, the first 2 parts are slow and the last part fast. Okay, don't forget the khatra, the bow whip at the end. If you're doing it with a bow, and if you're doing proper kapaze practice, one way of doing it is, instead of putting your 3 fingers here and pulling, okay, if you use your fingers the other way around, you're going to be again exercising the required muscles as you would with a thumb. Okay, that is to be done with a bow, but remember, with the bow you bring back the string. You never release, you never dry fire. Okay, you bring it back. Okay, hope that's good enough practice, and you'll practice as much as you can in a day, and then hopefully come back even stronger over the weekend.